Waitlisting allows you to wait in line electronically until the seat opens in a closed or full class. The system sequentially numbers students as they join the waitlist, and open seats are offered to the person next in line. You don't need to worry about being the first one to grab a seat when one opens. We'll email you when it's your turn to register. You will then have 24 hours to register while that seat is reserved for you. If you haven't done so already, please watch the How to Register for Classes video to learn how to search for classes and register for them. If the course you need is full, there will be a red exclamation point in the Seats and Errors column. You will also see how many waitlisted seats are available. To add yourself to the waitlist, add the course to the summary window. In the Action menu, choose Waitlist, then Submit. The status will then change to Waitlisted. You can check your position on the waitlist by looking at the course information on the Schedule Details panel. When a seat becomes available to you, an email will be sent to your Kalamazoo Valley student email account. You can access your email from the left menu in MyValley. The message will include the deadline for registering. You'll then need to return to the registration area and change the Action menu to Register and Submit to save the seat. If you miss the deadline, the seat will be offered to the next person, and you will need to rejoin the waitlist. It is recommended to register for an alternate course to take while you're waitlisted, just to be sure you have a class when the semester begins. But it is very common to be offered a seat, even if you started as number 12 on the waitlist. Please watch the other how-to videos to learn about creating a plan, registering, and dropping classes for more helpful tips.